Today on Cat Soup. Yesterday a special guest teaser was revealed. And if you guessed, Puddles. You were right. Puddles joins the Cat Soup today. Now this was difficult. As it turns out, I need to practice painting calico torty patterns more. Puddles will add brains to the soup. Next up we have 3 guests and a teaser for the next Celebrikitties. First up is Cheddar. Yum, cheddar and soup. Next up we have Giggle Fart. I ask nicely to not make the soup taste like farts, please. Lastly we have Shiro. The soup welcomes thee. The soup is growing larger and stronger in flavor every day. Tomorrow will be a double feature, featuring a short-haired cat and a long-haired cat duo. Can you guess who they'll be?